FastenMaster is changing the way that framers build. The FrameFAST structural fastening system allows connections to be made faster, easier, and safer. Using the patented FrameFAST system, now with 3 interchangeable heads, a framer can make a full range of continuous load path connections, all with one screw. The current method is to install ties, clips, and straps that are not only labor-intensive, but many times unsafe to install. With FrameFAST, you simply choose the right installation head, drop in a 6-inch FrameFAST screw, and drive. Let's look at each one of these heads in action. The FrameFAST truss-to-top plate head was designed to replace hurricane ties. It's engineered to quickly and correctly connect trusses or rafters to the top plate of the wall. Features of this head include alignment wings to perfectly center the screw on the truss. These wings can be moved aside for easy access to girder trusses. Positioning cleats to maintain a secure position during entire installation. And a 3-inch offset with 22.5-degree installation angle ensure optimal connection strength every time. Next along the continuous load path is the connection between the studs and the wall's top and bottom plates. The FrameFAST stud-to-plate head is designed to perfectly install the FrameFAST screw, either upward through the stud and into the top plate, or downward through the stud and into the bottom plate. Features of this head include indicator tabs to ensure proper tool placement, alignment wings that center the screw on the stud. These can be moved to access stud packs of 2 or more, positioning cleats that eliminate tool movement during the drive, and a magnetic holder that keeps the screw inside the gun for downward installations. The 3.5-inch offset from stud end and 33-degree installation angle ensure optimal connection strength every time. The head can be rotated 180 degrees to accommodate both stud to top plate and stud to bottom plate connections. The final connection is for floor to floor. Traditionally, metal straps would be installed vertically on the exterior wall to transfer these loads. The FrameFAST plate to rim head is designed to easily and accurately install the FrameFAST screws either downward through the bottom plate and into the rim below, or upward through the top plate of the wall and into the rim above. Features of this head include a built-in depth adjustment that allows for a full range of wall depths and rim board thicknesses, indicator tabs to ensure proper tool placement, a magnetic holder that holds the screw inside the gun for downward installations. It also includes preset installation angles of 0 or 12 degrees, allowing for operator flexibility. Rotating the head 180 degrees accommodates both top plate to rim and bottom plate to rim connections. The FrameFAST structural framing system. 1 screw, 1 tool, 3 interchangeable heads, allowing framers to make critical connections faster, easier, and safer than ever. For more information or a demonstration on your next job site, please visit us at FastenMaster.com.